In this video, I'll show you how to generate images in Chatgpt. First, sign into your Chatgpt account and start a new conversation. You can use the Chatgpt website or the mobile app. Next, type a prompt describing the image you want to create. Be as specific as possible by including details such as the subject, style, colors, lighting, background, and aspect ratio. The more details you provide, the closer the result will be to what you have in mind. Now, send your prompt and wait a few moments while Chatgpt generates the image. Once it's ready, you'll see the generated image directly in the conversation. After that, if you'd like to make changes, simply describe what you want to edit. For example, you can ask Chatgpt to change the background, adjust the colors, add or remove objects, or create a different artistic style. You can continue refining the image until you're happy with the result. Finally, when you're satisfied, open the image and use the download option to save it to your device. You can then use it in presentations, social media posts, creative projects, or wherever you need it. And that's it. You've successfully learned how to generate images in Chatgpt. If you found this tutorial helpful, make sure to subscribe to Learn Mode Lab for more tutorials.